Okay, so let's see how we can work with the optimization tool. I have this scene here, as you can see. I have a character and a set. There's a couple of things, you know, it's a simple one. It's like a speed paint, kind of a concept art scene that I made for one of my projects. So if I go options, you're gonna find the optimization here, the optimization tool right here. So basically this gives you a threshold, like this is a slider of how much, you know, how aggressive or how subtle your optimization pass is going to be, and you can decide if it's going to be applied to the current layer, let's say, you know, the one that you're standing on, or it's going to be applied to all layers at the same time. So okay, this is my character layer, right? So I can see, I can go wireframe and check, you know, how simple or complex the mesh is. It's pretty simple already because I kind of simplified this, and I even model it with the simplified, you know, idea of just trying to keep it as low as possible. But let's say I want to keep kind of going further in optimization. So I could just, you know, stand on that layer, and I could go to the optimization threshold. I'm gonna keep the 50%. It's not gonna have you know, it's just randomly 50%. And I'm gonna optimize current layer. So you can see, let's check the ears. It's easy to check. You know, you can see how the dense of that mesh. And if I activate that optimization pass, you're gonna see it's, you know, it came from here to here. I can even go farther and go and say optimize current layer, and it will go even, you know, you can see how it's changing, you know. Now you need to be careful because you're gonna lose details if, you know, of course, if you go too aggressive on this, you're gonna lose details. I don't have too much detail honestly on this character, but you need to, you know, be careful, be aware that, as you know, if you go crazy on this, you're gonna lose, you know, you're gonna lose control on the details of the stuff. But this is a great way for you to keep your scenes, you know, lightweight. I can, you know, I could roughly go and apply to everything. You know, I could say optimize all layers, and you'll see, you know, actually you can see, you know, this is a set. Look the wireframe, how it's changing from, you know, from this to this. And let me uncheck the wireframe because this is important. You know, you can see, of course, there's a change in some areas that you notice something is kind of changing, but it, you know, it doesn't change that much the look of what you paint. And this is important, and I want to show you why. And you are going to, I don't know, I'm just gonna make a silly shape just to have something. You're making this, right? You know, so you go see wireframe. It has, you know, a standard wireframe or a standard kind of a geo, and I'm gonna just try to paint it whatever, just to, you know, see some sort of a gradient. Now the cool thing about this is that, you know, the gradient you can see there is pretty neat. I mean, it's pretty soft. Now the cool thing is that if I run the optimization tool when the object is already painted, it's changing completely the, you know, the density of the mesh, but it's not changing at all the paint. So this is important because you always should apply the optimization tool once you finish your painting process. If I go you know, if I do it differently, now if I have this and I say, okay, run optimization tool, you know, in both of these. So from here, I'm gonna go to this, and now I'm gonna try to paint what I did before. It's not gonna be that easy, because now if I want to try to, you know, paint it and have more control like I did before, it's not that easy. It's like I try to paint and it's painting a whole block all together. So it's not gonna be easy for me to get that same soft gradient. So, you know, be aware of, try to paint your stuff before running the optimization tool.